everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to show you what I received free for review. I really wanted this. A lot of people, not a lot, no, I'm going to take that back. Every now and then I get an email from someone, do you want to review our product? And sometimes I look and I'm like, not really. And then other times I'm like, definitely. This was a definitely. So first of all, it came in a box like this. I'm assuming this is, I really don't know if this is their business box, if it comes like this all the time, or if this is an Amazon Prime box. That I really don't know. That's all I have to say. I don't know, but it's cute. All right, so let me show you what I received free for review. It is right here. Doesn't look like much, does it? But I'm going to show you. It's pink. It's pink, it's pink, it's pink. If you haven't figured out what it is already, it's pink. It is a rechargeable lighter. So I did bring a candle right here just to show you. I mean, basically all you do is, let me turn it on. There, when I turned it on, it all lit up. And then just press that. And there it goes. My candle is so like low, like the wick is so low, as you can tell. So I had a little bit of a, not really a problem, but it's just because of the candle, not the lighter. All right, let me put this down. Don't want to be carrying a lit candle around. So completely rechargeable, on off switch, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I had one of these in a different color from a different company before. It was not nearly as nice, and I lost the cord anyway to charge it. So I don't know. I'm so glad I got another one. This one looks like, let me see, it's bendable. I mean, that is so neat. I probably could have used it like this instead. That probably would have helped me. I'm not sure. But this is really nice. So I'm very happy with it. I kind of wanted to go to the website really quick and make sure I don't miss anything. I'm already there at the website. So let me make sure I get all the information that they want. Well, not that they want me to say, but just that I should say. I dropped something. I dropped this with the rechargeable thing. And I don't want Brooklyn to eat it. Brooklyn is my little Yorkie, in case you're new here. All right, so this is called a Boonfire lighter, candle lighter, electric lighter, USB rechargeable, with LED flashlight and battery indicator, and a hanging hook right here. Windproof, flameless, long arc lighter for candle, grill, camping. So I like this part, how it bends. I really do. My other one didn't do that. And I don't remember, I remember my old one. I used to just, you know, be able to press this button here and it would turn on. There was no on-off switch. So the charging was just not, it didn't last that long. So this is really nice. It's only $11.49 on their website. That's it. So if you have Prime shipping, I mean, it's, in my opinion, well worth it. I love it. I'm not trying to sell you on anything. I'm just reviewing their product. But I would definitely give this an A+. I love it. Love the color. Oh, and there are different colors. You don't have to get pink. They also have, it looks like, this is black. They have black. They have blue. They have green. And this one is actually rose gold is what they call it. I call it pink. And then they also have silver. So they have different colors. But I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me see. The company's name is Boonfire. says right here on there, Boonfire. So would I recommend? Absolutely. Yes, 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 I would recommend. So thank you everyone for watching. Please, please, please leave a comment down below if you can. And if you have time, thumbs up. And please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. You can see many more of my goodies. Thanks everyone. Bye.